Hey, this is Locke from Blueprint Awesome. Let me teach you how to make yourself a good tasty meal. So first we need a nice piece of chicken and potato. Now the most important thing is to prepare your food with love and affection. Cut it into little rectangular strips. With some imagination, they look kind of like fries. Massage it with some love and with some gratitude. You can put some bread on it. Cover it with a plate. Put it into the steamer. It's hot, so be careful. And this is your ready to eat meal. Enjoy. Nice. Chicken is looking really good. Nice.